Hi everyone, my name is Siddharth, and today I will be sharing my health reports automation project which I did in collaboration with Literacy India. So, Literacy India is a private organization which is into social work. One of the aspects they focus on is the medical tests of the children. So, for the medical tests, they have a machine which can process up to 40 different tests. So using that machine, we first took the test of the children, and then the machine generated the test data results in the form of a PDF. So in this form, it generated the data results, and this was done for each student. So then after that, I converted the data into an Excel format. This was because the doctor I was in view and consultation with found it difficult to manually go through each PDF and then give his input, which is why we converted it into an Excel format. So over here, we have the name of each student, date of the test conducted, and so on, the age, and the different tests. This made it easier for the doctor to look at the tests. And then after this, we use dynamic formatting. We use dynamic formatting in Excel. Like for example, over here, we can see it's OR bracket M3 less than M$13, or the comma means or M3 greater than M$14. Over here, that's why you have or in the beginning. This is or. So what does this mean? This means if the value in the M column, starting from the third row, is less than the value in the 13th row of the M column, then it will highlight this color. And if it is greater than the value in the 14th row, then again it will highlight the color. This shows the lower and upper limits. Now, for example, we can see this is the lower limit, this is the lower limit, and this is the upper limit. Now, for example, we've applied the formula here. I just showed it to you. We've applied it in other parts also, but I'm taking this as an example. And then when we format it over here, we see that we see that all these values do not fall in the given range, which is why they're highlighted. Now, for example, we apply the same formula in another aspect. Let's take fat. Now over here first, no formula is applied. Then now we'll apply this formula, and we can see that the values 10.8, 10.8, 14.9 have been highlighted. Why is this? Because they do not lie between 18.5 and 26.7. Similarly, 28.8 has been highlighted because it does not lie between 18.5 and 26.7. So using this, it was became easier for the doctor to look at the results and prescribe the medicines accordingly, because these tests right now we've only taken 9 students as an example. However, these tests happen at a much larger scale, 50, 100 students. Then it will be very difficult for the doctor to look at each PDF, each PDF manually. And now, after we converted the Excel table, the data into Excel, we used the formula, we showed the extreme values. Now we will go to the every 6 months, keep adding to the table. This means the tests of the students will be conducted every 6 months so that we can see if there's any improvement in the student. And then due to this, how will the doctor compare? So this is when we'll add, for example, for Amit, we will add one row below Amit, and then the doctor can compare the values and prescribe the medicines accordingly. So this automation project. I'm expanding it by working with the manufacturer so that the Excel sheet can be directly generated from the machine itself. By this, it will become a whole end-to-end automation project and process, and it will be much more efficient and convenient. Yes, thank you.